Assalamu alaikum dear doctors. In this video I am discussing about ABG flow sheet. For ABG flow sheet, first we need to know the normal values. So normal values of pH is 7.35 to 7.45. Partial pressure of carbon dioxide normal value is 45 to 35. Bicarbonate normal value is 22 to 26. Now we are seeing that pH is below, low, in the red box, look, then that is called acidosis. pH is high, blue box, on the right side, that is alkalosis. That means pH below 7.35 is acidosis and pH above 7.45 is alkalosis. Now look the Rome method, second box. Here a method is present. Rome, RO they indicate respiratory opposite and ME they indicate metabolic equal. So always respiratory anything is opposite directions. First we know that pH is low, that means acidosis, and then carbon dioxide is increased. That is respiratory acidosis, opposite direction. pH is below and carbon dioxide is increased, so respiratory acidosis. Next we are seeing pH is increased and carbon dioxide is decreased, that is respiratory alkalosis. So pH is increased, that means alkalosis, and opposite directions occur, so respiratory alkalosis. RO method. Next, ME. ME means metabolic equal. So there is equal directions occur. Metabolic pH is decreased and bicarbonate is decreased. They are telling metabolic acidosis. We know from first image that pH is decreased, that means acidosis. There we are taking acidosis, and metabolic equal, same direction, decreasing, metabolic acidosis. Now pH is increased and bicarbonate is increased, same directions, that is called metabolic alkalosis. So pH is increased means high alkalosis, from blue box we know, and same direction bicarbonate is also increased, so that is called metabolic alkalosis. Now at the last box, fully compensated states. How can we calculate compensation states of ABG? First, respiratory acidosis. They are telling that pH is normal or below 7.40 and partial pressure of carbon dioxide and bicarbonate both are increased. As we know, respiratory conditions show opposite directions, but pH condition is here normal or below, at least 7.40 below, and opposite direction partial pressure of carbon dioxide, so that is respiratory acidosis and compensated respiratory acidosis. Then respiratory alkalosis. Respiratory alkalosis, first alkalosis means high pH level. So pH level is normal or above 7.40 and there is decreased partial pressure of carbon dioxide and bicarbonate is also decreased. We know that respiratory means opposite directions, and there is a pH normal or above 7.40. That condition is compensated some kind of, so that is compensated respiratory alkalosis. Next, we are finding metabolic acidosis or metabolic alkalosis. So first, we know that metabolic means equal, so same direction will be present. Acidosis means normal or decrease. Here pH is normal or decrease 7.40 and the same direction partial pressure of carbon dioxide and bicarbonate is decreased, so that is metabolic acidosis. Compensated, as normal value is pH present. Next, metabolic alkalosis compensated. How we calculate? pH is normal or pH is above 7.40 and partial pressure of carbon dioxide and bicarbonate both is increased. We know that if pH level is increased, that means alkalosis. So here we can take alkalosis and the same directions, so metabolic, and compensated because pH level is normal or above 7.40. So that is compensated metabolic alkalosis. Hope this is very good, and you guys if practice regularly then it will be very easy. Now it is ABG practicing time. Let's start. First questions. pH 7.32, partial pressure of carbon dioxide 34 and bicarbonate 17. So first we notice the pH level. pH is below because pH normal level is 7.35 to 7.45. As below, so condition is acidosis. Partial pressure of carbon dioxide level, normal level is 45 to 35. Here it is below 35 level. We know that if same directions occur, ME metabolic case, ME method, there is same directions. pH is decreased and partial pressure of carbon dioxide is decreased. Both are decreased. So that is metabolic acidosis condition. And pH level is 7.32. We know the lowest level is 7.35, nearly the normal level. So that is partial compensation occur. So answer is metabolic acidosis, partial compensation. Now question number 2. pH level is 7.52, partial pressure of carbon dioxide 49 and bicarbonate 40. So pH level is 7.35 to 45 normal. Here 7.52 it is increase. Increase means alkalosis occur. Partial pressure of carbon dioxide normal value 45 to 35 and there is 49, that means increase. So both are in same direction, both increase. So that is metabolic conditions, metabolic alkalosis. 7.5, 7.45 near equal. So that is partially compensation occur. So answer is metabolic acidosis and partial compensation. Now question number 3. pH is 7.60, partial pressure of carbon dioxide 25 and bicarbonate 24. So pH is 7.6, that means it increase. pH level normal increase is called alkalosis. And partial pressure of carbon dioxide is decreased as normal value is 35 to 45. So opposite occurs. RO, respiratory opposite. pH level is increased, partial pressure of carbon dioxide is decreased. So there is respiratory condition, respiratory alkalosis. 7.6, normal level is 7.35 to 7.45. As 7.6 is much higher than 7.45, so no compensation occur. So the answer is respiratory alkalosis, no compensation. Now question number 4. pH is 7.49 and partial pressure of carbon dioxide is 48, bicarbonate 38. So first we notice the pH level. pH 7.35 to 7.45 normal. There is 7.45, that means it is increase. Alkalosis, increase condition alkalosis. Partial pressure of carbon dioxide is 35 to 45, it also increase, same directions. So ME metabolic condition, that is metabolic alkalosis. As pH is 7.35 to 7.45 normal, here 7.4 nearly 7.45, so there is partial compensation occur. So answer is metabolic alkalosis, partial compensation. Question number 5. We notice pH 7.36, that is normal condition. We know 7.35 to 7.45 is normal level. Partial pressure of carbon dioxide is 66, that is increase. As 35 to 45 is normal value. So pH is partial pressure of carbon dioxide increase, there is opposite directions occur. So respiratory occur and acidosis conditions, because 7.35 to 7.45 it is nearly the below level 7.36. So partially compensation they are telling. So answer is respiratory acidosis, partially compensation. Now question number 6. pH is 7.29, that is decrease, as level is 7.35 to 7.45 is normal. Decrease means condition is acidosis. Partial pressure of carbon dioxide is 32. 35 to 45 is normal level. It is also decreased. ME, same direction. So metabolic acidosis. And partial compensation they are telling, because 7.29 is nearly 7.35, below, near the below level. So the answer is metabolic acidosis, partial compensation. Now question number 7. pH first we notice 7.25, that is decrease, that means acidosis occur. Partial pressure of carbon dioxide is increased 60, as normal value is 35 to 45. So opposite direction occurs, so it is respiratory condition, respiratory acidosis. No compensation because 7.25 is much lower than 7.35, not below normal level. So there is no compensation occur. Answer is respiratory acidosis, no compensation. Now question number 8. pH is 7.45. Normal level 7.35 to 45. Nearly the upper level is 7.45. And partial pressure of carbon dioxide is 47. We know that 35 to 45 is normal level, that is increase. So that is both are same directions, metabolic acidosis and partial compensation, because 7.45 is the level, upper level limit normal. So the answer is metabolic acidosis, partial compensation. This is all about today's ABG sheets. Please do subscribe and share my channel, everyone. Thank you.